भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेमदेवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो माया संख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः।
We are on page number 91, 12th Karika, chapter 2. कल्पयति आत्मना आत्मानम् आत्मा देवः स्वमायया। आत्मा देवः स्वमायया आत्मना आत्मानं कल्पयति। भाष्यकार एडेड आत्मनि एव स एव भेदान बुध्यते। ही अलोन सीज दी भेदास, ही नोज दी मेनीनेस इति वेदांत निश्चयः। सो ही इज द कल्पका, he is the knower. In Tika, 6th line from bottom. Maya dwarena चिदात्मनो जगन निर्मातृत्वम उक्त्वा तस्यैव बुद्धि प्रतिबिंबितस्य प्रमातृत्वम इत्याह। माया द्वारेण, थ्रू माया, दिस चिदात्मा इज जगन निर्माता, जगन निर्मातृत्वम उक्त्वा तस्यैव, ऑफ दैट सेम जगन निर्माता, बुद्धि प्रतिबिंबितस्य प्रमातृत्वम, he is reflected, manifest in buddhi also. As pramata. So in maya, chaitanya expresses, becomes jagat karanam. In buddhi, chaitanya expresses, becomes nirmata, pramata. स्वयमेव, इन भाष्य स्वयमेव च तान बुध्यते, he knows those Vedas, what he has created. भेदांस तद्वद एव इति एवं वेदांत निश्चय है। इन टीका न च प्रमातृत्वस्य तात्विकत्वं तात्विकतत्वं रज्ज्वादौ सर्पादिदर्शनवदेव मिथ्यात्वनिर्धारणात् इत्याह। प्रमातृत्वस्य तात्विकतत्वं, pramata is tatvika, is a real entity, is not. Why? It is just like Sarpa appearing in Rajju. Pramata appears in Chaitanya. Mithyatva nirdharanat ityaha. Tadvad. So that is why that Tadvad is given. That is also mithya. Pramatritva is also mithya. Jagat kartritva is also mithya. कर्त्रादि भेदस्य प्रमात्रादि भेदस्य च मिथ्यात्वे नेह नानास्ति इत्यादि श्रुति प्रमाणयति. सो कर्तादि भेद प्रमातादि भेद both are mithya, and therefore neha nanasti shruti, what it says is being, same thing is being taught here. इति एवं वेदांत निश्चय. So Vedanta Nishchaya means neha nanasti kinchana, that nishedha shruti. Tika sa eva iti eva karartham aha. Sa eva buddhyate. Why do you say sa eva? Because in Bhashya nanyo asti jnana smrityashrayah. There is no other jnana ashraya, there is no other smriti ashraya. Jnana smriti ashraya is this alone. There is only one Chaitanya, and therefore sa eva buddhyate bhedan. Yo jagat srashta yascha pramata ततो अन्यो ज्ञानस्य स्मृतेश्च आश्रयो नास्ति. यो जगत सृष्टा यश्च प्रमाता, the one who is creator alone is the knower. Other than that, there is no ashraya for jnana and smriti. In other words, I have to be the creator. With Maya Upadhi, I am creator. With Buddhi Upadhi, I am Pramata, knower. चेतन भेदे मानाभावात् अनुभव स्मृत्योश्च एकाश्रयत्वस्य प्रसिद्धत्वात्. चेतन भेदे मान अभावात्. So in this, actual quotation is नान्यदतो अस्ति द्रष्टा श्रोता मनता विज्ञाता. There is only one Chaitanya. 9 number टिप्पणी says सृष्टि प्रमात्रोरभेदे हेतुमाह. Srashta and Pramata, they are one in that. What is the hetu? Chetana bhede mana bhavat. In Chetana bheda, there is no pramana. Iti srishtva pravishat ityadi shruti virodhat. Tad srishtva tadevanu pravishat. The one who created alone has entered. So this is the shruti. This Shruti Virodha will take place if you say creator is different, pramata is different. Pratyakshadi amanam iti bhavaha. In this, pratyaksha is not pramanam. You cannot say, I am here, how can I be creator? No. In this, Shruti is pramanam. Etena tarkika matam vidvastam. So by this, the tarkika mata is negated. And 10 number tippani, Anubhav Smriti Ashraya Abhede Hetma. Anubhava and Smriti, their Ashraya is one. In that, what is the Hetu? Anubhava ityadina. Anena Vijnanavadi Parastaha. Vijnanavadi, they say, Kshanik Vijnanavadi. Anubhava is one Kshana. Smriti, another Kshana. We say no. There cannot be two different. टीका ज्ञान स्मृत्योराश्रयापेक्षा विषयापेक्षा वा नास्ति इत्याशंका. For Jnanam and Smriti, Ashraya Apeksha is not there, Vishaya Apeksha is also not there. Iti Ashankya. Somebody may do this Shanka. In other words, Jnanam requires Vishaya. Whose Jnanam? Smriti requires Vishaya and Ashraya also. Where is it? Who has Jnanam? Who has Smriti? And about which subject? Iti Ashankya. Abhadita prasiddhi virodhat maivam. This is a contradiction if you say there is no Ashraya, there is no Vishaya for Jnanam, and there is no Ashraya and no Vishaya for Smriti. Maivam iti aha in Bhashya. न च निरास्पदे एव ज्ञान स्मृति वैनाशिकानाम एव इति अभिप्रायः. न च निरास्पदे एव. In निरास्पद, निरास्पद means आश्रय रहित. निरास्पदे ज्ञान स्मृति न. ज्ञानम च स्मृतिश्च ज्ञान स्मृति. Without ashraya they cannot be there, and without vishaya also they cannot be there. By this, vainashikanam iva iti abhipraya. Just like, so this is vyatireki drashtanta. Just like vainashikas have Ashraya for Jnana and Smriti, they don't have Ashraya and for Jnana and Smriti. Vedantins do have Ashraya for Jnana and Smriti. This is the Vyatireka. You can see Tippani 1 and 2. Kshanik Vijnanavadam Vidvamsaitum Jnana Smriti Pruthagu Upadate. Jnana means Anubhava. So Kshanik Vijnanavada is refuted here. Vainashikanam means Shunyavada also. Vainashikanam sarvasyeva jnanatvad nahi jnana smrityoho ashrayantaram. For Vainashikas, everything is jnanam. So what will be the ashraya of jnanam? Jnana ashraya also has to be jnanam only, which is not true, not valid, because jnana ashraya cannot be another jnana. And therefore, because there's everything is kshanikam only, and then shunyam. So Vedanta is not like that. Jnana smrityoho ashrayantaram nahi. Therefore they have niraspada vada, no ashraya. Further in Tika, prakrtayam kalpanayam vivakshitam kramam upanyasyati. In the prakrita kalpana, so atma kalpayati atmana atmanam atma deva swamaya. In that krama upanyasyati, he presents the sequence seemingly. 13th karika, विकरोत्यपरान् भावा दन्तश्चित्ते व्यवस्थितान् नियतांश्च बहिश्चित्त एवं कल्पयते प्रभुः. विकरोत्य विकरोति अपरान भावान अंतश्चित्ते व्यवस्थितान. अपरान भावान अंतः चित्ते व्यवस्थितान अपरान भावान. भावान means padarthan, aparan means anyan, all the other which are there in his antakarana. Vikaroti. Vikaroti means parinamayati. He makes modifications of antakarana vritti in the form of those padarthas. He thinks about them. And niyatanscha, niyatan bhavanscha. Then बहिश्चित्तः प्रभुः बहिश्चित्तः एवं कल्पयते. बहिश्चित्ते, बहिश्चित्ते just like अंतश्चित्ते व्यवस्थितान, बहिश्चित्ते प्रभुः एवं कल्पयते. So first is drishtanta, second is darshtanta. Just as in my mind I think of varieties of objects, I project them. What kind? Niyatan and aniyatan. Niyata means vyavaharik satyam. Aniyata means pratibhasika satyam. This is one way of classifying. Or niyata means seemingly permanent. Aniyata means seemingly impermanent. So in my mind also there is this division. There are some which are long lasting, and some which are short term. So just as I do this in my mind, outside also I do the same thing. Who does this kalpana? Prabhu. Bahishchitte evam kalpayate. टीका, नियतांश्च इति चकारात् अनियतांश्च इति विवक्ष्यते. नियत and aniyata both, because niyatanश्च is given. प्रतिपित्सित क्रम प्रतिपत्त्यर्थम पृच्छति. Pratipitsa means desire to know. Pratipattum ichha. Pratipitsita krama pratipatti artham. So now he has desire to know what is the sequence in which things become known, etc. So bhashya now, sankalpayan kena prakarena kalpayati iti uchyate. Sankalpayan, having done the sankalpa, how he does the kalpana, how he projects them. So it is given now, answer. Vikaroti. Further, श्लोकाक्षर योजनया बुभुत्सितं क्रमं प्रत्याययति. That ya in bracket also we have to take. Pratyayayati. Shlokakshara yojanaya bubhutsitam kramam. Bubhutsita means the known. Bubhutsa actually means desire to know. So now there is a desire to know this sequence. Bubhutsitam krama pratyayayati uchyate ityadina. So through this shlokakshara, Bhashyakar explains. Vikaroti nana karoti aparan laukikan bhavan padarthan shabdadin. Laukika padartha varieties. Vikaroti means nana karoti, visheshana karoti. So he makes them manifest. Tika shastriyan iti yavat. Anyansya means shastriyan. So laukika and shastriya, both kind of padarthas. Let us see Tippani 1 and 2. Tippani 1, Prakritayam means Arabdha Nirupanayam. So the one whose Prakarana is Arabdham is started for description. In that Arabdha Nirupanayam, Prakritayam. Shastriyan means dharma, adharma, sumeru, adi, adim, ityartha. Whose reference or knowledge is there only through Veda Pramana. They are Shastriya. Dharma, adharma, sumeru, parvata. चित्तमध्ये वासनारूपेण व्यवस्थितान्. चित्तमध्ये वासनारूपेण व्यवस्थितान्. अनभिव्यक्त नामरूपत्वेन व्यवहार अयोग्यत्वम् आह. अनभिव्यक्त नामरूप. चित्तमध्ये, in the chitta, they are there in the form of vasanas. So those vasanas later they become manifest. So those vasanas once they are manifest, then they become available for vyavahara. When they are unmanifest, they are not available for vyavahara. That is said, anabhivyakta namarupatvena vyavahara ayogyatvam aha. Within Nama Rupa is not Abhivyakta, Anabhivyakta, then they are not Vyavahara Yogya. See in Bhashya, अन्यांश्च अंतश्चित्ते वासना रूपेण व्यवस्थितान अव्याकृतान नियतांश्च पृथिव्यादीन. पृथ्वी एक्सेट्रा नियत, they are long lasting. अनियतांश्च कल्पना कालान, those whose lifespan is only during kalpana, like Rajju Sarpa. So pratibhasika. But here Anand Giriji has given little different interpretation. See, kalpana kalan vidyudadin asthiran ityartha. So Prithvi, he says sthira, and vidyut, lightning, etc. are asthira. But if you use the word kalpana kalan from Bhashya, then Vyavaharik Prapancha is niyata, and Pratibhasik Prapancha, like Rajju Sarpa, is aniyata. So this is slight difference. And in Hindi also they have given that only. Aniyata Rajju Sarpadi. Prithvi Adi are niyata, Vyavaharika, and Rajju Sarpadi are aniyata, Pratibhasika. And then only Kalpana Kalan Shabda would be right. Further in Tika, Bahishchitto Bahirmukho Bahyan Vyavahara Yogyan Padarthan Kalpayati. Bahirmukha Chaitanya will do Kalpana of Bahya Padartha, because he is interested in Vyavahara. When Vyavahara Yogya Padartha is there, then he can do Vyavahara. It is Bahirmukha. Kalpayati. Antaschittastu tebhyo vyavritta buddhi मनोरथादि लक्षणान आत्मनि अवस्थितान भावान व्यवहारा योग्यान कल्पयित्वा पुनर् बहिर् व्यवहार योग्यतायै कल्पयति इत्यर्थः. अंतः चित्ता, the one who is introvert. Introvert means he is not interested in external vyavahara, but he has vasanas, like in swapna. तो तेभ्यो व्यावृत्तः, तेभ्यः केभ्यः, तेभ्यः केभ्यः, पदार्थ, विच पदार्थ के बाह्य पदार्थ के व्यवहार योग्य पदार्थेभ्यः व्यावृत्तः. बुद्धि, सो ही इज कॉल्ड व्यावृत्त बुद्धि. व्यावृत्ता बुद्धि यस्य सह व्यावृत्त बुद्धि. आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, when there are two shabdas together without sandhi, means you have to understand it is samasa. Like vyavritta is one shabda, buddhi is another shabda. and there is no sandhi then. They are just kept next to each other. Samhita is there. So you have to understand it is a samasa. Now what kind of samasa, that you have to find out. So this is bahuvri samasa. व्यावृत्ता बुद्धिर यस्य सह व्यावृत्त बुद्धि मनोरथादि लक्षणान आत्मनि अवस्थितान भावान, those bhavas which are in Atma. Atma means antakarana. Vyavahar ayogyan, which are not yogya for vyavahara, कल्पयित्वा पुनर् बहिर्व्यवहार योग्यतायै कल्पयति इत्यर्थः. So now he does kalpana for making them vyavahara yogya, makes him appear outside. Etad uktam bhavati. So now Anand Giriji explains the whole thing. Before that, let us complete the bhashya. बहिश्चित्तः सन तथा अंतश्चित्तो मनोरथादि लक्षणान इति एवं कल्पयति. So just as antah chitta in swapna, how he does projection, like that bahishchittah san, and antah chitta is swapna. मनोरथादि लक्षणान इति एवं कल्पयति. कः कल्पयति? प्रभुः ईश्वरः आत्मा इत्यर्थः. Now Anand Giriji gives summary. Whenever they say etad uktam bhavati, like they are summarizing and giving some details which are otherwise not known. So Tikakar generally they do these things, or Bhashyakar sometimes. So they like put things together. See, yatha loke kulalo va tantuvayo va घटम पटम व कार्यम चिकीर्षुः आदौ व्यवहारायोग्यां व्यक्तिं बुद्धावाविर्भाव्य पश्चात् तामेव बहिर्नामरूपाभ्यां संपादयति. Just as in the world, कुलालो वा तंतुवायो वा, kulala, the one who does, kulal means pot maker, तंतुवाय the weaver, घटम पटम व कार्यम चिकीर्षुः, the one who is interested in doing घट पट इत्यादि. First, आदौ व्यवहार अयोग्यां व्यक्तिं बुद्धौ आविर्भाव्य. In his buddhi, he will think of those things which are actually vyavahar ayogya. Then paschat tameva bahirnama rupabhyam sampadayati. Later he does sampadanam externally, he creates them outside. Sampadayati sampannam karoti ityarthah. He makes them possible externally. Tathaiva ayam adikarta api. In the same way, this adikarta, Paramatma, also Maya lakshane swachitte nama rupabhyam avyakta rupena sthitan. Maya lakshane swachitte. Maya lakshana, one's own chitta. Nama rupabhyam avyakta rupena. Through nama rupa etc. it is avyakta. What is avyakta? Avyakta rupena sthitan. Srashtavya padarthan. These padartha which are having avyakta nama rupa. Prathamam sisrikshita akarena antarvibhavya. Prathamam, first, sisriksha, srashtum ichha. How he wants to create them, that akara, that rupa, He will think of it within, अंतर्विभागीय. पश्चात thereafter बहिः सर्व प्रतिपत्ति साधारण रूपेण संपादयति इति कल्पनायां क्रमादिगतिः. So first he will think inside, figure out, then he will do it outside. Same way is creation also. In this way there is krama, sequence, krama adhigatihi. Now again Purva Paksha. कल्पितानां कल्पना कालाद अन्यस्मिन् काले सत्वाभावात् जाग्रत भावानां च कल्पना कालात् कालांतरेपि प्रत्यभिज्ञया सत्व अवगमात् अनुपपन्नं तेषां मिथ्यात्वम् इति आशंका. पूर्वपक्षी says, I don't accept that व्यावहारिक प्रपंच is मिथ्या. Why? Because प्रातिभासिक प्रपंच is only projection of my mind. While there is kalpana, during that time that object is available. After the kalpana is over, object is not available. कल्पितानां कल्पना कालात् अन्यस्मिन् काले सत्व अभावात्. At any other time, its sattva is not there. When I am seeing Rajju Sarpa, it is there. After that, there is no Rajju Sarpa. And for others also, it is not there. But Jagrat Padarthas, they are not like that. Jagrat Bhavanam cha. Kalpana Kalat कालांतरेपि प्रत्यभिज्ञया. कल्पना कालात् कालांतरे. So then this kalpana kala in another kala also pratyabhignya, through pratyabhignya sattva avagamat. Sattva is known and therefore anupamannam tesham mithyatvam. Their mithyatva is not known. Means their mithyatva is not there. Why? Because there is pratyabhignya. How? An object which is there right now, later also you can say this object was there, I had seen yesterday. Same object is there, still there. If you say it is mithya, how can there be pratyabhignya? So if pratyabhignya is there, that means this object is continuing to exist. It doesn't disappear like swapna padartha. It doesn't become non-available to others like Rajju Sarpa or Shukti Rajata. It is available to others and it continues to exist even when I am not experiencing. So it is not like swapna padartha. It is not pratibhasika. Therefore, how can you say it is mithya? This is the Purva Paksha. Chitta kala hi entastu dvaya kalascha ye bahihi कल्पिता एव ते सर्वे विशेषो नान्य हेतुकः. चित्तकाला हि एन्तस्तु ये अंतः ते चित्तकालः, ये बहिः तु ते द्वयकालः. Those which are inside in the mind, they are चित्तकाल पदार्थ. Means चित्त एव कालो येषां ते चित्तकालः. They are lasting only with mind reference. But the other padarthas, they are dvayakalaha. They have two references of mind. Ye bahi, which are outside, dvayakalascha. What are the two kalas? 1 number tippani. Kalayor dvayam dvayakalaha. ततो आर्षाद अचि कालद्वयवन्तः इत्यर्थः. कालद्वय वाले, द्वय काला मीन्स कालद्वय वाले, those which have two periods of time, means two references of time. One time reference is my mind, but other time reference is external world clock, which is used by everybody. So everybody experiences, therefore it is real. What only I experience mentally, that can be illusion, I agree. Karikakar says, Kalpita eva te sarve. Whether only you are imagining or everybody else is seeing, experiencing, Drishyatva is there. Agama-payitva is there. Adyantavantava is there. Therefore they are mithya. Kalpita eva te sarve. Vishesho na anya hetuka. For them to be any different, there is no hetu for it. Anya hetuka vishesho na. Means you cannot find some such hetu to prove their satyatva. Why? Because drishyatva, adyantavatva, jadatva, parichinnatva, all these things are there. टीका. ये कल्पना काल भाविनो भावाः मनस्यन्तर्वर्तन्ते ये च प्रत्यभिज्ञायमानत्वेन पूर्वापरकाल भाविनो बहिरेव व्यवहार योग्या दृश्यन्ते ते सर्वे कल्पिताः सन्तः मिथ्यैव भवितुम् अर्हन्ति. Those which are कल्पना काल भाविनः भावाः, which are lasting only when kalpana is there, means pratibhasa kale eva bhasanti bhasayante tasmat pratibhasika. Manasi antarvartante, they are inside the mind. Ye cha pratyabhijnayamanattvena purvapara kala bhavino, and those which are pratyabhijnayamana, known through pratyavijna, purva apara kala bhavina. They are known in purva kala as well as apara kala. Bahihi eva vyavahara yogya drishyante. So they are known. These are the other ones where there is pratyavijna, that this same thing, like this Mandukya class. Yes, last Anadhyaya day also it was there at this time. Now also it is there. Same Acharya is there. Or my Sharira. Every time I see in the mirror, oh, this is the same person. I thought my face will look younger, but it is, alas, it is the same. or my buddhi would be sharper suddenly when I wake up. But alas, there is pratyabhijna of my buddhi. It is same buddhi. Whatever I did not know earlier, I still don't know. And whatever I knew earlier, that also I am forgetting. True or not? Not true for everybody. For some people like us, it is true. You know, if there is no laughter in life, people are so stressed out. You have to find a way to laugh. Because I see people are so stressed and they take everything so seriously, but the fact is, everything is a joke. Whole samsara is a nataka. Pashya samsara natakam. Vasishtha ji told Ramchandra ji. The whole thing is like this only. You become stressed out by thinking, oh, this is happening, that is happening, I have to do this, I have to do that. Are nothing. Bhagavan will do the chakra, don't worry. You just play your part, but enjoy. So relaxed. ये च प्रत्यभिज्ञायमानत्वेन पूर्वापरकालभाविनो बहिरेव व्यवहारयोग्या दृश्यन्ते. ते सर्वे कल्पिताः. ऑल ऑफ देम आर कल्पिता ओनली. कल्पिताः सन्तः मिथ्यैव भवितुमर्हन्ति. दे ऑल आर मिथ्या. प्रत्यभिज्ञायमानत्वलक्षणो विशेषस्तु न अकल्पितत्व प्रयुक्तः. The Vishesha Bheda, that there is Pratyabhijnayamanatvam in external Padartha and Pratyabhijnayamanatva Abhava in the internal Padartha, this Hetu will not make it Akalpitatva. That is this line. Pratyabhijnayamanatva lakshano Vishesha tu na Akalpitatva prayuktaha. So, you cannot say व्यावहारिक पदार्थाः अकल्पिताः प्रत्यभिज्ञायमानत्वात्. This hetu is aprayojaka hetu. That aprayojaka alone is given as na akalpitatva prayuktah. फोर नंबर टिप्पणी से तथा कल्पितानाम तथा प्रतिभानात् कल्पना एवं. Because you did kalpana that there should be pratyabhijna of this. You means Chaitanya. Chaitanya did kalpana that these wishes, their pratyabhijna will be there. So pratyabhijna is there. But yet they are kalpita, that part is not different. That part remains the same. They have drishyatva, that part is still the same. They have adyantavatva, that part is still the same. Kalpite api tad darshanat. In kalpita vastu also pratyabhijna can be there. You project sarpa in rajju, you see it, then you run away. Then you come after 15 minutes. You say, still that snake is there. Which snake? Same snake which I saw earlier. This is pratyabhijna. Pratyabhijna will not make it satyam. Shloka vyavartyam ashankam darshayati. Now, coming into Bhashya, which is the shanka which is eliminated by this Karikakara shloka, that shanka is shown first. Shloka vyavartyam ashankam darshayati. स्वप्नवत् चित्तपरिकल्पितं सर्वम् इति एतद् आशंक्यते। स्वप्नवत् चित्तपरिकल्पितं सर्वं, सर्वं चित्तपरिकल्पितं, एवरीथिंग इज परिकल्पित बाय चित्त, स्वप्नवत्। This is objected, iti ashankyate. Somebody says no, everything is not like swapna. Why? Yasmat, first tika, यथा स्वप्ने दृश्यमानं सर्वं कल्पितं मिथ्या एव इष्यते तथा जागरितेपि दृष्टं सर्वं चित्तस्पन्दितं तेन कल्पितं मिथ्या एव इति एतन् न आद्य अपि निर्धारितम् इति अत्र हेतुमाह। पूर्वपक्षी says, just as in swapna whatever is seen, experience, is a sarvam kalpitam, therefore mithya. In the same way, everything in Jagrat, Jagrite api drashtam sarvam chitta spanditam, and therefore tena chittena kalpitam mithya eva. This is not yet established, not proven, says Purvapakshi. Iti etat na adyapi nirdharitam. Why? Because he says, I have objection. What is the hetu? Yasmat chitta parikilpitair manorathadi lakshanaish chitta parichedyair vailakshanyam bahyanam. Those which are chitta parikalpita means manorathadi lakshana. Those which have manoratha as their lakshana, they are just mental things, manorathadi. Chitta parichedyayi. Chitta is a parichedaka, conditioning. Means they are only available to my mind. Objects which are available to you, they are for you. Like that, each mind is the parichedaka. So, chitta parichedyayi lakshanaihi manorathadi lakshanaihi. Different from them, vailakshanyam bahyanam. The external, they are different. Why? Anyonya parichedyatvam iti. Bahya padartha, they have anyonya paricheda. Anyonya parichedya means one object does paricheda of the other. You can give reference time of one for the other. I think there is an example of the milking of the cow. So somebody will ask, how long were you standing there? See, as long as the cow was getting milked, I stood there for the whole time. So, this is anyonya parichedyatva. So, there are multiple references of time, internal as well as external. That's why it is called dvayakala. Whereas, pratibhasik padartha only internal. So, one is chitta parichedya, another is anyonya parichedya. So, this is a bheda. Iti sana yukta ashanka. This shanka is not yukta. Tika. Atma avidya vivartena चित्तेन तावद अंतर्विनिर्मिता मनोरथ रूपा मनसि अंतर्वर्तमाना बहि रज्जु सर्पादयश्च ते चित्तेनैव परिच्छिद्यन्ते। आत्मा अविद्या विवर्तेन, आत्मा इति कर्ता, let me check the reading. That only. Atma avidya vivartena chittena better reading would be Atma avidya vivartena chittena. But Atma no verb is given. Six number टिप्पणी परिणामेन चित्तेन आत्मा अविद्या. Let me see Dakshinamurti Matha. Atma Vidya, there also Atma Vidya alone is given. Atma Vidya Vivartena. Atma, see there. Okay. Correct. Atma Avidya Vivartena. Atma Avidya Vivartena, not Atma, sorry. Atma Avidya Vivartena Chittena Tavad Antar Vinirmita. Chitta, which is projection of Atma Vidya. Atma Vidya Vivartena Chittena Tavad Antar Vinirmita. Manoratha Rupa, those which are projected inside. Manasi Antar Vartamana. Bahi Rajju Sarpadesya, and outside the Rajju Sarpa, etc. It Chittena eva Parichidyante. They are conditioned only by Chitta. Tehi Kalpana Kala Matra Bhavino na Pramiyante. So they are Kalpana Kala Bhavina, and there is no Prama for it. Na Pramiyante. Means they are Mithya, Pratibhasika. Taihi Saha Vailakshanyam Manaso Bahir Jagrad Drishya Mananam Bhavanam Anyonya Parichedyatvam. With them there is Manaso Vailakshanya. Bahir Jagrad Drishyamananam Bhavanam. Those which are external and they have अन्योन्य परिच्छेद्यत्वं मीन्स कालद्वय अवच्छिन्नत्वेन प्रत्यभिज्ञा गोचरत्वम external objects which have mutual reference of time and also are known through pratyabhijna यस्माद् उपलभ्यते तस्माद् अयुक्तं जागृतस्य स्वप्नमिथ्यात्वं therefore स्वप्नमिथ्यात्वं स्वप्नवत् मिथ्यात्वं of जागृत पदार्थ is अयुक्तम is not true. श्लोकाक्षरैः उत्तरमाह सा न युक्ता आशंका. This shanka is not correct. Further we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.